So today's topic is about potential energy in an external field. In that, first we are going to deal with single charge, later on with multiple charges. So the topic is potential energy of a single charge when the single charge is in the external field. So before going into the explanation, we should consider three things. First is to find the potential energy of a charge or charges. So this topic deals with a single charge in an external field. Now we are introducing a term called external field. So that external field is due to some other sources, due to some other charges. So we are considering the field is already there. The external field E is not produced by the given charge. That means we are considering a charge Q, and the charge produced, field produced because of Q is not considered. That means the field is already there. In that we are going to consider a charge. Okay. So we are not interested in the potential energy of the sources producing the external electric field. So as I already told you, we have already external field, okay, due to some other sources, due to some other charges. We are not interested in the potential energy of those sources. So the idea is we have an external field and that is created because of some other charges, okay. Now we are interested in moving a charge from infinity to a particular point, and the distance is measured with reference to 0, 0, 0 coordinates. Okay. So first point is we have this coordinate as 0, 0, 0. Okay. Now we have external field all around. So the external field is due to some other charges. Our interest is we are bringing a charge from infinity to a particular point here, say P, and the distance between with respect to origin, say the coordinates here is 0, 0, 0, and the distance is r, and usually we specify by vector, so it is r vector. Okay, usually the potential at infinity is 0. Generally at infinity is 0. So when the charge moves from infinity to this point, a work is being done. Okay, so therefore potential at this point definitely is greater than the potential at infinity because it is 0. Therefore we see a potential difference between the point at infinity and the point at P. Okay, so now we will define the term work done in bringing a charge Q from infinity to the point P in the external field. External field means already existing field is QV. That means charge multiplied by potential difference V. That is potential energy of Q at R in an external field is Q is equal to Q into V, voltage, that is potential difference. But what I told you initially, the potential at infinity is 0, whereas potential at some other point with respect to origin, you have some other potential. So therefore you see a potential difference between infinity and that point. So potential energy of Q at a R vector at R in an external field is Q multiplied by the potential. That means if you see this, if you know the potential at this point and if you know the distance, okay, then you can always find the potential energy, which is Q into P. Okay. Now for example, the charge, first we are considering a charge, that is charge of an electron is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Potential difference del V equal to 1 volts. If I say 1 volts, what's the meaning? It is potential difference. I already told you potential at infinity is 0 and potential at P you have some value. So potential difference is this voltage minus that voltage. That potential is already 0. So you have the potential. So the potential difference is given as 1V. So now energy, potential energy at the point P, because of this charge and the potential difference 1 volt, is Q del V, which is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. This is the charge of an electron multiplied by this voltage 1. So the energy, since it is energy, it is in joules. Now this value is nothing but 1 electron volt. So 1 electron volt is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 joules. Thank you. That's all about potential energy in an external field due to a single charge. Thank you. Nandri.